If you are looking for a perennial with pretty power, look for Rudbeckia Rising Sun as Chestnut Gold. Now that's a mouthful, but geez, is this gorgeous. Look at this. These daisy-like flowers on these long stems, very common of Rudbeckias. There are a lot of new cultivars, but this one is especially beautiful. Look at that chestnut brown in the center, the brown eye, and those beautiful, vibrant yellow flower petals. These are just gorgeous. They do well in full sun in just about any type of soil. In fact, once they're established, these do pretty well in drought conditions. And they, on these long stems, are wonderful for cut flowers. So along with our zesty zinnias that were a Louisiana super plant this year, this Rudbeckia creates a wonderful cut flower on those long stems, large heads. So these get about 2 foot in height. You need to space them at about 12 to 18 inches. They do benefit from a slow release fertilizer. You can add a liquid fertilizer. These are perennials, so they will come back year after year, and they are just gorgeous. Wonderful for cut flowers, excellent for pollinator gardens or that cottage garden look. Rudbeckia Rising Sun as Chestnut Gold is a gorgeous perennial for the landscape. Will bloom throughout the summer into the fall. Easy care, give it some sunshine, a little bit of space. Make sure you water in times of drought. You can deadhead or you can leave those for the birds. They actually love the seeds. It's actually, these will volunteer a lot of seeds that can be distributed throughout the garden. So you can take those spent heads or leave them for the birds. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.